prices are very high. We will try and we will do everything that moves forward and benefits our both people in a peaceful manner. Our region needs our cooperation. The Horn of Africa is a very fragile, very volatile region, which needs both Ethiopia and Somalia to work together in order to provide a mutual benefit for both our countries, our people, and the people of the region as well. We have a lot of opportunities for prosperity, and we will do together to make sure that our people live and benefit those opportunities. I thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Evet, ben de Somali Cumhurbaşkanı
I also
Sayın Şeyh Mahmud'a çok
thank
teşekkür ediyorum.
the President of Somalia, Sheikh Mahmoud, and now I will give the floor to the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed.
Your Excellency and dear brother, President Tayyip Recep Erdogan, Your Excellency President Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, honorable ministers, distinguished members of the press. First, I would like to thank President Tayyip Recep Erdogan, his government, and the people of Turkey for the warm welcome and generous hospitality. I take this opportune moment to express appreciation for the government of Turkey's commitment to peace efforts in the Horn of Africa. President Erdogan has taken the initiative to facilitate a series of discussions at the foreign minister level between the fraternal nations of Ethiopia and Somalia over the past few months. These efforts have culminated in today's meeting at the level of the leaders with a commitment to address misunderstandings that have transpired over the course of the past year. As neighbors, Ethiopia and Somalia have endured relations for centuries. We are not only neighbors, but brothers and sisters whose fates have been bound by blood. Not only do Ethiopians and Somalis share common ancestry, language, and culture, but we are also held together with the blood sacrifice that has been paid by thousands of Ethiopian soldiers in defense of the security of the state of Somalia from terrorist forces. While I am very grateful for the efforts of many to facilitate discussions over the past year, ours was never a case fit for third-party intervention. Rather, it was meant to be a family dialogue. Over the past 6 years, Ethiopia has asserted its commitment to regional integration, not only in words, but in tangible needs. I strongly believe, as does my government, that the growth and stability of the Horn of Africa regions is premised on mutual development. Peace and growth is a shared dividend. Allow me to assert here again that Ethiopia's aspiration for secure and reliable access to the sea is a peaceful venture and one that would benefit all our neighbors. With the growing youth population, the demands for our economy warrant such access. Enabling this economic dynamism and growth is then a positive undertaking with undeniable positive spillover effects to the wider Horn region. Hence, a venture that must be met in the spirit of cooperation and not suspicion. I believe that today's constructive discussions will push us into a new year with this spirit of cooperation, friendship, and the willingness to work together instead of against each other. Once again, I thank President Tayyip Recep Erdogan and the people of Turkey, as well as His Excellency Hassan Sheikh, for convening this meeting, also for concluding in a win-win approach. I thank you.
Ben de
And
Abi Ahmet
I also
kardeşime
thank my brother Abiy Ahmed,
teşekkür ediyorum. Şeyh Mahmud'a aynı
and
şekilde
also
çok
in
çok
the same way I thank Sheikh
tabii burada
Mahmud.
bugün yaptığımız
And of course,
görüşmeyle
with the
birlikte
meeting that we held today here, especially
Etiyopya'nın
Ethiopia's
denize açılma
connection to the sea, their requests, their will to reaching to the sea, hopefully in the first meeting, after the first meeting that we held,
yapıp
we are going to continue holding meetings, and
Şeyh Mahmud kardeşimle
with my brother Sheikh Mahmud's
ilgi alakayla
required
destekleyeceğine
support, we believe that they will also support their request on reaching the sea. This world is enough for us, and all of us,
alacağız.
hopefully we are going to take our places here, and the steps will be taken, hopefully together.
Düşünüyorum.
This is how I think about this situation.
Ve böylece
And
noktayı koyuyoruz.
this will be the end,
Çünkü
because
Abi Ahmet kardeşim hemen
my brother Abiy Ahmed
yola çıkacak.
is going to
5,5
set
saatlik yol.
course at once. He has a 5.5 hours of journey, and my Sheikh Mahmud brother will be here. He is going to stay for 2 more days,
Dolayısıyla
and for that reason,
misafirlerimizin
our
özellikleri,
guests
güzellikleri hepsi
and their
burada. Çok teşekkür
needs
ediyoruz.
are, of course, taken after. We thank you. This was a
Bilgilendirdik.
nice meeting that just concluded.
Thank you.
All right, you've just been listening there to the Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, accompanied by the President of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, and also the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed. The 3 gentlemen there on your screens, they have brokered, or Turkey has brokered, a landmark agreement